How to fix your Facebook account has been disabled. So if you want to fix your Facebook account that has been disabled, then what you need to do is just simply go for the search and search for Google and just open up your Google or your browser. Once you're here on the Google, now you need to go for the search again and search for report login issue to Facebook. And here you will have an option of report login issue or reporting a problem with Facebook. Tap on that. And here tap on the first, which is report problems with logging in. And here it will take you to the report problem page. And here what you need to do is you just need to enter what problem you're facing, and you can also choose a file or upload a screenshot if you want to. So here you need to enter that hello Facebook team, I think my account has been disabled and I want to recover my Facebook account, so please help me to reopen my account so that I can use it. And you need to enter the email address that is associated with your Facebook account. Once you enter the information, you just need to simply tap on next, which is here on the bottom right. Once you tap on next, your request will be sent to Facebook and you will receive some help within 24 hours. So that's how you can fix your Facebook account has been disabled. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.